Alright, well here's my truck. The back. 81 Chevy C10. Half ton. And a bunch of trash. There's the interior. I'm sorry about the glare. There's the door. Toothbrush. Alright, now let's see what we got under the hood. The Real 5 Edelbrock carb, funny looking air filter, and stock manifold. But we're fixing to replace the manifold and the Edelbrock carburetor with Holley carburetor and Edelbrock manifold, the water neck, and all that. We just replaced the lower and upper front and A-arms and stuff. Right there. We will be getting maybe Mickey Thompson's, the radials, and that's my truck.